Welcome to My Chef, and my name is Chef Fran, and this is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we are bringing a special salad to you. You're like, special?
Yeah.
This looks like vegetables I'm used to eating. Is it though? Do you normally have potatoes like that with these green vegetables and green beans? This salad here is actually a French salad called
Niçoise.
Niçoise. And it actually comes from Nice, France. So this salad, Niçoise, means...
What does it mean, Mom?
It means of nice.
Of nice.
Of nice, it translates to. À la Niçoise. It's actually called à la Niçoise, which means of nice.
Good to know.
But really, the way it's spelled, nice is really pronounced Nice, France,
Right.
as opposed to Nice, France. So it's off a small region off the Mediterranean coast in France. So here we have on this beautiful salad our Yukon Gold potatoes, our green beans, tuna that was packed in some olive oil. We have some eggs, hard-boiled eggs. We have our butter lettuce,
Wow.
and we have our cucumbers, green olives, black olives, cherry tomatoes, radishes, and we have some fat-free honey Dijon vinaigrette. So it means the sugar count is extremely down because it's sugar-free and fat-free. And we have some Himalayan salt and some black pepper because our tuna is going to need some seasoning. Our potato is going to need some seasoning. Although we cooked it in some chicken broth, it's going to need some seasoning still. And of course, the cucumbers have no seasoning. So none of this has seasoning. Even our green beans was just steamed. So we definitely have to add a little flavor to it.
Sounds good.
But we'll be back with the vitamin content. And so we're presenting to you our beautiful Niçoise ingredients. Our Yukon Gold potatoes has vitamin B1, B3, B6, C, potassium, magnesium, and folate. And it was cooked in chicken broth, which had vitamins A, B12, C, D, E, K, and magnesium. Our green beans has vitamins A, C, K, folic acid, and fiber. Our radish has vitamins A, C, B6, E, K, zinc, anthocyanin, antioxidants, and fiber. Our tuna has vitamins A, D, iron, selenium, phosphorus, omega-3 fatty acid. Our eggs has vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron. Our butter lettuce, which has vitamins A, C, K, calcium, iron. Let me let you know that this also helps to fortify your bones and fights off inflammatory diseases. Cucumber has vitamins B, C, and K. Green olives has vitamins A, E, iron, calcium, and copper. And black olives has vitamins A, E, iron, calcium, copper, and antioxidants. This also may help to reduce the risk of health conditions like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. And our cherry tomatoes has vitamins C, folate, and potassium. Our Himalayan salt has potassium, iron, calcium, and magnesium. And black pepper has vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B5, B6, E, and K. Real facts. 1 in 25 households in the U.S. reduce their food intake because they can't afford food. Absolutely no one should have to reduce their food intake. Well, E, here is our Niçoise salad.
Yes.
And we had everything all cut up. So the beauty about cooking and arranging and doing things is that you can set things up the way you want. This is how I set up my platter. You know, as long as you have the core ingredients here, which is your eggs, your potato, your cucumber, your olives, your tuna, your tomatoes and your green beans and your radishes. You could set it however you want. You could do it all in a straight line if you wanted to. You could just do different like globs in different sections. I chose to do mine this way. So you can do it just like this as you see it. Or you could, like I said, you may be using a round platter or a round bowl, big, large, salad bowl. You may be doing it in a circular motion. It's fine. As long as you have the components and the key ingredients, you're good to go. Now, I do have to tell you that we are going to have to throw some salt, some Himalayan salt and black pepper on this because there is no seasoning on this. So we are going to put it on everything here because there is no salt whatsoever. So here we go.
Give it some love, Mom. Give it some love.
Love, love,
love,
love, love is in the air.
Yes, it is.
So normally Ian and I usually put 2.5, sometimes 3 loves and things. Here, we're probably going to have to do 5 loves.
I would say about the same.
So that was 1 love we did. And so we're going on our 3rd love. Boy, the loves go by so quickly. and I don't even feel like I've really gotten everything.
Where's all that love? And Mom?
I should have been using Ian's big paws, as he says,
yeah, my
to
paws.
do the loves. Because I think I'm on... Look at my hands compared to Ian's. I mean, I'm on my last love, and I don't even think I really got the tuna much. But at the same time, we don't want it to be too salted either. So, that's not the goal here.
No. So, let's give it a little flavor.
Okay. Maybe just a little pinch more love.
Okay. You gave it a lot of love in there.
Now, our black pepper is not going to get the same amount of love, but it's probably going to get 4 loves.
You give it 4? Okay, give it 4. That's 2.
Man, Ian, I think I gotta have your paws do this.
Yeah.
Because I'm almost done with these 4 loves, and I don't think I really got much.
I see you got a lot there. You can see the
You see some speckles here.
I can see the speckles of the pepper.
Speckles. Okay.
Plus, I put a little. Don't forget, I put some loving on the pepper. String
okay.
beans.
Right. I forgot about that.
Yeah, let's put some loving.
So
on the
here we
string
go. Here we go.
Perfect.
Here we go.
Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
So now that we got our love fest in, now it's time to dig into this beautiful salad. So Ian,
Yes.
let's start with some green beans for you.
Thank you.
Oh boy, I wonder if these were the right ones I got.
I don't know.
The right tools.
You want me to go?
Oh boy, real life shooting.
Real live shoots. There you go. That's enough of those green beans.
I'm moving on to my plate. I'm going to do.
Oh, okay, sure. Go ahead. Take your time.
Hello. It's not always about you, Mr. Ian.
You always pamper me, though. I love it. Radish, and I think that's it.
You radishes behave for Ian,
Yes,
okay?
yes, you do.
Me, I'm not a huge fan of you.
So you're
I will take, and I lost one along the way.
Let me try another one. Mama.
I will take 2 more, and that's it.
There we go. Okay,
So
we have one more thing to do.
Let's do that. And we have our, put my salad here.
Yeah.
We have our dressing. Well, this is Ian's, I think. No, I have the last one. Okay.
Yeah, that's you.
So
That's you.
And normally, this is just like I said. Usually, you would use like some honey Dijon vinaigrette. We just happen to be using the one, as you can see, it's very liquefied because it is fat-free and sugar-free.
Yes.
But if you don't want fat-free and sugar-free, do you.
Do
That's
you.
okay.
Exactly.
Get the one that's full of fat and full of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
And you know I'm missing my bacon, but I'm not going to do it this time.
Thank you.
And you would pour the Dijon vinaigrette all over your salad. But we're doing it separately because we don't know if the other folks want some of this. So
exactly is what they would want on it.
And this is Mr. Ian.
Yes. Ooh.
Look at, he's getting excited.
Oh,
Look at that.
Love Niçoise.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And so we are. Well, Ian.
Well, Mama. Bon
appetit.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Okay.
I mean, we all kind of know what lettuce tastes like and potatoes, and you know. But we are going to eat it. You should, if you eat any form of veggies, then you know what this tastes like. Well, though I didn't make the dressing,
yeah,
I can tell you, even though it's fat-free, it tastes good.
It does taste good.
Okay. And when you make a Niçoise salad, you don't break up your tuna. You kind of want to leave it whole.
Delicious. Healthy.
Very. This is a full
meal.
meal.
Yeah.
You have your potato, which is your carbs, your vegetable, your protein. You have your dairy from the eggs, which is also your protein. And you have vegetables. And you have your cherry tomatoes, which is considered a fruit, even though we use it in majority of savory dishes. So you really have your full meal here. Listen. Don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button.
Yes.
We love hugs. And when you hit the subscribe button, it lets us know that you're with us, you enjoy what we're doing, the content that we're putting out for you. And we want to continue to do so, and it encourages us. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification, because that lets you know every time we upload a new video. So you can be right there to premiere and see with us and cook with us and have fun. Sit back and laugh with us. We really enjoy hanging out with you today.
Mm-hmm.
And I have to tell you, let me get some of my tuna.
There you go.
Put my egg. Oops, come on, tuna. Behave yourself, tuna. Nice meal. I'm enjoying, and I'm loving every bite of this.
That's what counts.
Be part of the Ma Chefin family.
Thank you. Be part of our family, please.
When you watch the content and you hang out with us, you become a part of our family. You become a part of the journey of what we're doing, also trying to help families fight food.
Yes.
Help families who are suffering from food insecurity. And Ma Chefin's all about trying to give you nutrient-dense food and also trying to do our best to help those that are in need and that are suffering. Thank you for hanging out with us today. It means so much. I really appreciate it. Come back and hang out with us again.
That'd be nice.
So we can have some more good times and some more good laughs and enjoy some good food. We love you. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.
Take care.